Hi, my name is CatNap ... and these are my friends Hoppy and DogDay. Say hi.
Hello!
In today's video, we will be doing the Bean Boozled challenge. The challenge is the jelly bean you have ... is either good or no, and you have to eat it ... and we also have bottles of water to get rid of the bad taste.
Let's get started.
The first one is ... berry blue, or toothpaste.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, Hoppy got berry blue.
Well, I just got toothpaste. It actually dons single quotes taste bad.
Ooh, I got toothpaste too, but it's too minty to me. The next one is either chocolate pudding ... or canned dog food.
Since I'm a dog, I might like canned dog food.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, gross. I'm the only dog that doesn't like canned dog food.
Leah, I got canned dog food too.
Oh sweet melatonin. I got chocolate pudding. It's so yummy. Now it's either juicy pear or booger.
Oh my god, that's so freaking gross. Booger is gross. Let's hope it's not booger. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yes, I got juicy pear.
Yuck, I got booger. It almost made me vomit. I need to drink some water quickly.
Juicy pear. The next is either buttered popcorn or rotten egg. 3, 2, 1, go.
Son of a bitch, I got rotten egg. I think I'm gonna ...
Yes, I got buttered popcorn. Wow, that is the weirdest vomit sound I heard.
Well, I got buttered popcorn too.
CatNap, how are you getting so many good flavors?
Maybe I'm just lucky. This is going to be slightly harder. It is either toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
What the fuck? How is that a flavor?
I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go.
I got stink bug. I am gonna.
I got toasted marshmallow. Marshmallows are the best.
Fuck. I finally got a bad flavor. This is now either top banana or wet dog.
What? Excuse me.
Sorry.
Well, here goes nothing.
3, 2, 1, go.
So that's what I taste like.
DogDay, don't say that phrase. Moving on. Yes, I got top banana.
Me too.
I just got wet dog. It tastes just like me.
Whatever. This is going to be strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish ... This would be bad for you except me. 3, 2, 1, go.
I got delicious strawberry banana smoothie. Yum.
Me too.
I got dead fish. Not bad for me. Next we have is Tutti Frutti or stinky socks. 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo. I got really delicious Tutti Frutti.
Ooh, stinky socks.
Ooh, stinky socks. Next we have is cappuccino or liver and onions. 3, 2, 1, go.
Cappuccino, that is super duper good.
Liver and onions. Oh.
Cappuccino. Next up, pomegranates or old bandage. 3, 2, 1, go.
Old bandage. Fuck my stomach.
Old bandage.
Me, 3. We all got old bandage on that. Now we got lime or lawn clippings.
What is lawn clippings?
Just 3, 2, 1, go.
What? It tastes like muddy grass. Grass makes me sick. Excuse me.
I got
I also got lime.
I threw up 3 times in a row.
Now we got licorice or burnt rubber. I'm addicted to licorice, but let's just 3, 2, 1, go.
burnt rubber.
Burnt rubber.
Burnt rubber. We all got the same bad flavor again. We got coconut or spoiled milk. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, I got coconut. It is so good.
Oh my god, I got spoiled milk. That is absolutely disgusting.
I got coconut. This is the grand finale. Am I gonna get peach or bath? 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, go.
I got barf.
I got peach. Yummy.
I got bath. Okay, we're finally done with the challenge. Please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we uploaded something new.
Bye now.